So friends, today we will see exponential distribution. So let us see what is exponential distribution. The continuous probability distribution having the probability density function f of x given by f of x is equal to alpha into e raised to minus alpha x for x is greater than 0, that is positive, and it is 0 otherwise. So this alpha should be greater than 0, that is positive, and this function f of x is known as exponential distribution. Equivalently, f of x should be greater than 0, and we have, by this continuous probability distribution, we have integration from minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is what we have here. X is greater than 0 means x should be 0 to infinity. So our integration is from 0 to infinity. Then what we have, the function alpha into e raised to minus alpha x dx. So alpha is constant, take outside. Integration of e raised to minus alpha x is e raised to minus alpha x divided by this coefficient of x is minus alpha. So this is minus alpha. The limits are from 0 to infinity. So alpha, this alpha and this alpha will get cancelled. Minus sign here. If you put in place of x as infinity, e raised to minus infinity is 0. E raised to minus infinity is 0. Minus lower limit, that is e raised to 0, is 1. Minus of minus is plus 1. So our minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So f of x satisfies both the condition. F of x is greater than 0 and it is integration from minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx is equal to 1. These required for a continuous probability distribution, that is probability density function PDF. So mean and standard deviation of exponential distribution is, mean is given by, that is mu is equal to 1 by alpha, and variance is 1 by alpha square, and standard deviation is 1 by alpha. In exponential distribution, mean and standard deviation are equal. So that is 1 by alpha. So let us solve some examples here. So I have taken one example here. If x is an exponential variate with mean 3, find first probability when x is greater than 1 and probability when x is less than 3. So here they gave x is an exponential variate. Here only they gave it is an exponential variate with the mean 3. So mean of exponential variate is nothing but what? 1 by alpha. Mean of exponential distribution is nothing but 1 by alpha. So our 1 by alpha is given as 3. So from this we can say that alpha is 1 by 3. If 1 by alpha is 3, then alpha is 1 by 3. So this is our alpha. By exponential distribution, our probability density function is what? F of x is equal to alpha into e raised to minus alpha x, where x is greater than 0 and it is 0 otherwise. As you can see that this is greater than 0, that is our function f of x is greater than 0. So this is written as alpha is what? 1 by 3 into e raised to minus alpha is 1 by 3 into x is x by 3. This is when x is greater than 0. So this is nothing but what? X is greater than 0 means x lies between 0 to infinity. So 0, next is 0 otherwise. Now first what they ask here, to find probability when x is greater than 1. Probability when x is greater than 1. As we know that the values of x greater than 1 between this 0 to infinity are infinite. So between 0 to infinity, values of x which are greater than 1 are infinite. So this can be written as 1 minus probability of, here we have x is greater than 1. So we write here x is less than or equal to, because here we having x strictly greater than 1. So we can write this term as 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 1. So we know that the values, how many values are there which are less than or equal to 1, between 0 to infinity. So this is 1 minus. So probability when x is less than or equal to 1 means our values are 0 and 1. Between these 0 to infinity, that is, this is our 0 and this is our plus infinity. So our function lies between here 0 to infinity. So but x is less than or equal to 1. So 1 is somewhere here. So x is less than or equal to 1 means our function lies between here. So our limits are here 0 to 1. So this can be written as integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx. Now probability of x is less than or equal to 1 can be written as 0 to 1 f of x dx. So 1 minus integration from 0 to 1. What is our f of x here? In 0 to infinity, our f of x is 1 by 3 e raised to minus x by 3 with respect to x. Now simplify this one. 1 minus 1 by 3 constant take outside. Integration of e raised to minus x by 3 is e raised to minus x by 3 divided by the constant term minus 1 by 3. So the limits are from 0 to 1. This 1 by 3 and this 1 by 3 will get cancelled. We left with 1 minus and minus will become plus. If you take this minus and outside, minus and minus become plus. So we left with e raised to minus x by 3. Limits are from 0 to 1. Now put upper limit and lower limit in place of x. So we will get here 1, this one as it is, plus in place of x put upper limit. So e raised to minus 1 by 3 minus e raised to, that is lower limit, 0. This is 0 by 3 is 0. So this is 1 plus e raised to minus 1 by 3 is, so this is 1 by e raised to 1 by 3, because I take this one as to the denominator. So it becomes e raised to plus 1 by 3 minus e raised to 0 is nothing but 1. This one and this one will get cancelled. So this is 1 by e raised to 1 by 3. Value of this is nothing but 0.7165. If you use the calculator, you will get value of 1 by e raised to 1 by 3 is 0.7165. This is the probability when x is greater than 1. Next they asked probability when x is less than 3. So probability when x is less than 3 is, so this is nothing but, now we have here our values are from 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity. Now they gave x is less than 3. So 3 lies here, strictly less than 3. So x is somewhere here. So our function lies here, 0 to 3. So our limits are from 0 to 3. F of x dx. Like this we have to write. So this is written as 0 to 3. F of x is nothing but 1 by 3 e raised to minus x by 3 dx. So 1 by 3 outside. Integration of e raised to minus x by 3 is e raised to minus x by 3 divided by minus 1 by 3. Limits are from 0 to 3. 1 by 3 will get cancelled. Take minus sign outside. So we left with e raised to minus x by 3. Limits are from 0 to 3. So minus sign outside, put upper limit and lower limit. In place of x we will get e raised to minus, in place of x put 3. So this is 3 by 3 minus e raised to, lower limit is 0, 0 by 3 which is 0. Now minus this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. E raised to minus 1 minus e raised to 0 is 1. Multiply this minus sign inside the bracket. We will get minus e raised to minus 1 plus 1. Minus into minus is plus. So this is 1 minus e raised to minus 1 is 1 by e. So value of this is 0.6321. So this is the probability when x is less than 3. So let us see another example. The length of telephone conversation in a both has been an exponential distribution and found on an average to be 5 minutes. Find the probability that a random call made from this both ends less than 5 minutes between 5 and 10 minutes. So here also they gave exponential distribution and they gave average to be 5. So average is nothing but here mean of exponential distribution, which is 1 by alpha is equal to what? 5 minutes. So 1 by alpha is equal to 5 minutes. From this we can write alpha as 1 by 5. So our alpha as 1 by 5. So what is our exponential distribution? That is probability density function of exponential distribution. F of x is equal to what? Alpha into e raised to minus alpha x when x is greater than 0. This is our probability density function of exponential distribution. So as we know that value of alpha, so f of x can be written as alpha is 1 by 5 e raised to minus x by 5. X is greater than 0 means what? X lies between 0 to infinity. So this is our required function. Next they asked to find the probability that a random call made from this both ends less than 5 minutes. So less than 5 means x is less than 5. They gave less than 5 minutes. So x is less than 5. So this can be written as, now what we have here, 0 to 5, 0 to infinity. This is 0 to infinity. Our phi lies somewhere here. So our function is from 0 to 5. So limits are from 0 to 5 f of x dx. So 0 to 5. What is our f of x? 1 by 5 into e raised to x by 5 dx. Take 1 by 5 outside. So we will get here integration of e raised to minus x by 5 is nothing but e raised to minus x by 5 divided by 1 by 5. That is coefficient of this x is 1 by 5. So limits are from 0 to 5. Now this 1 by 5 and this 1 by 5 will get cancelled. Or if you take this 1 by 5 to the outside, this 5 goes to the numerator, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So here we left with, so here minus it is. So take minus sign outside, e raised to minus x by 5. Limits are from 0 to 5. Now put upper limit and lower limit. We will get, first I put upper limit minus in place of x 5 by 5 minus lower limit is 0. E raised to 0 by 5 is 0. So multiply this minus sign inside. This 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Minus e raised to minus 1 because 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Minus into minus is plus, e raised to 0 is nothing but 1. So we got here 1 minus e raised to minus 1 is nothing but what? 1 by e. The value of 1 minus 1 by e is nothing but 0.6321. This is the probability that a random call made from ends less than 5 minutes. So probability when x is less than 5. Next what they ask? Between 5 and 10 minutes. So we have to find the probability between 5 and 10 minutes. So x lies between 5 and 10 minutes. So this can be written as, now our limits are from 0 to infinity as our function. But here our x lies, suppose 5 is here and 10 is here, then our function, that is x, this is our x line, that is x axis, so our x lies between this function. Here our f of x, function of x, lies. So our limits are from 5 to 10. F of x dx. So 5 to 10, limits are from 5 to 10. F of x is what? 1 by 5 e raised to minus x by 5 dx. So take 1 by 5 outside. Integration of e raised to minus x by 5 is minus e raised to minus x by 5 divided by coefficient of x is minus 1 by 5. Limits are from 5 to 10. So 1 by 5 will get cancelled. Take minus sign outside. We left with e raised to minus x by 5. Limits are from 5 to 10. Now put upper limit and lower limit. Minus e raised to minus 10 by 5 minus lower limit e raised to minus 5 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Multiply this minus sign inside the bracket. So we will get minus into this 2 by 1 e raised to minus 2 by 1, that is 2, minus this minus and this minus will become plus. So we will get here e raised to, we get here 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So we left with here minus 1. So this is nothing but e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to minus 2. So this can be written as 1 by e minus 1 by e square. So value of 1 by e minus 1 by e square will give us 0.2325. So this is our required answer, that is when the probability that a random call made from this both between 5 and 10 minutes, which is 0.2325. So let us say another last example here. In a certain town, the deviation for a shower is exponentially distributed with mean 5 minutes. What is the probability that a shower will last for 10 minutes or more? Less than 10 minutes and between 10 and 12 minutes. So let us see. So the probability density function of exponential distribution is nothing but what? F of x is equal to alpha into e raised to minus x alpha x, where x is greater than 0. This is our probability density function of exponential distribution. Now what they gave here, our mean is 5, that is 5 minutes. Exponential distributed with mean 5 minutes. So mean is nothing but here 1 by alpha, so which is 5. From this we can take alpha as 1 by 5. This is our alpha. Therefore our PDF, that is probability density function, is 1 by 5 into e raised to minus x by 5, where x is greater than 0 means x lies between 0 to infinity. So this is our probability density function of exponential distribution. What we have to find here? 10 minutes or more. So first we have to find 10 minutes or more means probability of x. 10 or more means x is greater than or equal to 10. 10 or more. 10 is there, so equal to 10. More means x should be greater than 0. So as we know that there are so many numbers between 10 to, because our function lies between 0 to infinity, so many numbers between 10 to infinity. So this can be written as our, here you can see here. So our function lies between 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. F of x lies between 0 to infinity. But they gave x is greater than 10, greater than or equal to 10. So if 10 lies here, then our function lies between 10 to infinity. So f of x lies between 10 to infinity. So limits are from 10 to infinity. So this can be written as integration from 10 to infinity, our f of x dx. Now f of x is nothing but what? 1 by 5 e raised to minus x by 5 dx. Same, 1 by 5 take constant outside. Integration of e raised to minus x by 5 is e raised to minus x by 5 divided by constant of this, coefficient of x is minus 1 by 5. Limits are from 10 to infinity. So 1 by 5, 1 by 5 will get cancelled. Take minus sign to the numerator. We left with e raised to minus x by 5. Limits are from 10 to infinity. Now put upper limit and lower limit. Minus sign as it is. E raised to minus x is infinity. Upper limit is infinity. Infinity by 5 is infinity. So e raised to minus infinity minus lower limit e raised to minus 10 by 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are. So minus e raised to minus infinity is nothing but what? 0 minus. Now e raised to minus 2. E raised to minus 2. Put this sign inside the bracket. We will get e raised to plus e raised to minus 2. That is 1 by e square. So value of 1 by e square is nothing but what? Something 0.1353. This is the probability when x is greater than or equal to 10 or 10 minutes or more. So next is less than 10 minutes. Second is less than 10 minutes. So probability when x is less than 10. So function is from 0 to infinity. What they gave? X is less than 10. Suppose we have 10 here. Less than 10 means up to here. 10 to 0. This here our function lies between 0 to 10. So integration from 0 to 10 f of x dx. So integration from 0 to 10. What is your f of x? 1 by 5 e raised to minus x by 2 dx. If you integrate this 1 by 5 e raised to minus x by 5 dx with respect to x from 0 to 10, we will get answer as 0.8647. Next, third one is between 10 and 12 minutes. So we have to find the probability when x lies between 10 and 12. So x lies between 10 and 12. So our limits are from here what we have 0 to infinity. Suppose 10 is here, 12 is here. Then our function lies between 10 to 12. So our limits are from 10 to 12 f of x dx. So integration from 10 to 12. What is the f of x? 1 by 5 integration from minus x by 5 dx. If you integrate 1 by 5 e raised to minus x by 5 with respect to x, where limits are from 10 to 12, we will get the answer as 0.0466. This is the probability when it is lies between 10, x is lies between 10 and 12. This is the required answer.